Here's how to download the Aula F75 keyboard software. Open your browser and search Google for EpoMaker, the manufacturer of the Aula F75 keyboard. Go to their official site at epomaker.com. Click the search icon in the top right corner and type F75 into the search box. Under Products, you will see EpoMaker X Aula F75. Click on it to open the product page. Scroll down to the Download section on the right side of the page and click the first option labeled EpoMaker X Aula F75 software. Note this only supports Windows. Click it to open a new page showing the EpoMaker X Aula F75 driver. Then click the Software Download button to begin the download. Once downloaded, go to your Downloads folder and find the zip file. Right-click it, select Extract All, then click Extract again to get a clean, unzipped folder. Open the folder and double-click the setup file. Choose your installation language, click OK, then click Next through the remaining setup screens. When ready, click Install and the software will install to your computer, ready to use immediately. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.